Hi! Upon request, I am going to start uploading quite frequently than before. So, here I am with another video. I want to touch upon the things that have been going with my creative pursuits lately. So, there is a reason why I make these videos, and I think I should talk about that a bit. For most part of me making videos and creating content, I've always been struggling with finding the reason to do so, because always while talking or speaking my truth, what happens is that I am not really grounded in the truth, rather I am grounded in how I am perceived while I state that truth. So it's more of how do I be seen than how I can see other people. So the shift that has been happening lately with how I create content is this fact that I am truly passionate about seeing others for who they are. And I think this is needed more nowadays, because there are no people who get other people easily without being offended. Not saying that I don't get offended easily, it's just that I think you have to reach a level of understanding and a level of depth within yourself so that you understand others in that same level of depth. And once you understand people, even your worst enemy, you realize that they are not that different than you. In fact, you both are really similar than you are different. So, I want to touch upon this specific arena through my videos. So, I am on a mission right now to help people, especially those who watch my videos, get a sense of feeling special and cared for through my videos, so that they can understand that they don't need to bring perspectives or ideologies or philosophies into the picture when talking with another person. You can be open minded, you can be yourself, and you can speak what you want to speak without thinking about how another person views the world or how another's perspective is like. So, what matters more is how much you are willing to understand a person to that depth. You know why this is important? It's not only important for you, it's important for that person as well. With the rise in technology and the rise in people realizing their worth, their self love, what has also been required from people right now is to also learn to love each other. It's also to learn how to be open minded enough to accept another for who they are. And this has been such a big theme of my life recently. It's just learning about you are enough, and that person that has hurt you and that person that has been with you since day one and supported you, both of them require the same amount of love and require the same amount of understanding, because you get to be the person that helps them see the world from your lens. And if you love yourself enough, then your world is going to be your world. It's not going to be a world that is of this other person. So when this person that eventually hurts you still comes into your life, that person gets to realize that they can live a life like yours. They can live a life open minded and with love and with ease, just like you do. And that is a possibility. And those who are able to live like that, like you do, are going to follow that, are going to learn from you. But those who can't do that, they are going to get triggered by you, and eventually they will learn that what you were living by and what your truths were, what your values were so more important than what they thought they were at the start. So this is a concept that we are truly not considering enough. You can be amazing, you can be awesome not by achieving anything in life. You can be someone amazing just because you are able to understand another person. You can be amazing just because you are a good human being. And nowadays, that's all that is required from you. You do not need to achieve something by age 20, or be a topper in your class, or do things in the physical realm that gives you appreciation nowadays. Just look at the world right now. Jobs are taking people who are skilled and who love their work. People are encouraging students to, I'm talking from a student perspective because I am a student. People are encouraging students to go after their dreams, because that this is the best time to do that, because the other saturated and standard careers right now are saturated and they are standard, and they do not have the same value that they once had. And that is also for a reason. Everything is for a reason. Maybe this, the everything that is happening right now is just a sign for you to go towards what has been eating you up since day one, to go and just pursue what you want to pursue. So you pursuing goodness, pursuing purity is also enough. You do not need to pursue a career. You do not need to, okay, you need money. I know, okay. But those things can be separate, or those things can be one. It's what you choose, right? And any option is your decision. But it is important to realize that you do have a lot of options than you realize. You do have the option to be a good human being and help people and still take care of yourself. You do have the option of being selfish and making the most amount of money that you have ever made and still learning about how to understand another person, your client, deeply. You have everything at your disposal, and the best thing that I want to help you is to just look at your own influence, to just tap into the fact that everything that is happening in your world is because of your own influence. You are going to do the thing that you want to do, not because I told you to, but because things are going to happen in your life that make you to do that thing, if that is your calling. Things are going to happen in your life such that eventually you get to understand that everything just was how you perceived it to be. So, every single thing that is happening right now and will happen and has happened has been because of your own influence of yourself. If you have the influence of yourself that you need specifically for you, and you get to create that influence for yourself, like for example, look at a YouTuber that you truly dearly love. That influencer, that creator is relatable to you because he or she has hold of you in such a way that it influences you in a good positive way that is benefiting you. In the same way, you can be that same creator for yourself, can you not? You can be that same influencer for yourself. You can be the one that creates that own system for yourself, so that you are going to be even deeply intertwined with your future and what is happening right now. It's not another person telling you to do things anymore or sparking motivation in you to do that thing. It's you doing that. It's you influencing yourself. So I want to teach this because I have learned it and I have mastered it. If I hadn't not mastered this ability to influence my own self from within, I would not have been able to follow my calling, to do things that I enjoy, because I would not have known what my calling was or what even brought me joy, because I didn't even entertain that fact that I could be more happier than where I am right now by just creating a system that works for me. The problem nowadays is we think that a system has to be rigid because of scientific or blah blah needs. Like you need to drink. Okay, let's not go to that level. I took a breather. Now I'm back. Let me rephrase, because there are certain things that all humans need. We do need 8 hours of sleep. We do need to eat nutritious food. We do need to be more structured at times. We do need to regulate our emotions. We do need to learn these basic essential things so as to live a life that is good for our body and that holds our body. But there is a but. Can you believe it? You also have this magical ability to create a system that works for you. You have the right and the knowledge that you need to find out what brings you joy. You have the right to learn more about yourself. You have the right to find through trial and error and hard work, I agree, but it is worth it in the end because you have had the right to experiment with what can truly be your potential. You can be someone who is working on something because you think that is your potential right now. You think that. But just think of this far point in your future where you realize that there is actually more in the world than you ever thought there was, because then you are in a version of yourself that has understood many more things that you are not in alignment right now with. So in the end, you cannot know what the future version of you needs, but you can come to this idea of constantly creating the discipline to come back and experiment with what helps you and not what helps another person and is just holding on to you. I want you to hold yourself. I want you to do things and make a life that is for yourself. I want you to be specific. I want you to be serious about every single thing that you do, because those small itty bitty things like drinking water even is dependent. The joy that you feel while drinking water is dependent on how you choose to do that joy. Like, I could drink water standing. Maybe that isn't bringing me joy because it's not savoring my need at that moment. Maybe I want to sit down and rest for a bit. Then I'll sit and rest. That's the amount of seriousness I'm talking about with you influencing yourself. You have the right to do what you want. So sit and rest. Sit, rest, and take that cup of water and drink it and savor that moment. Because you have free will, you have the right to influence yourself. Is this too simple to be talking about right now? Do you truly think that this is simple? Because if it were simple, why would you still be watching this video? We need this. We need to be more grounded with what we need. We need to be more grounded with this truth, this fact that life is not going to bring miracles or bring anything into your life if you do not have that ounce of effort to make this life yours in the first place. Do you want to be a copy of the copy of the copy, or do you want to be someone influential for yourself? You do not need to do anything for others even, other than striving for your own growth and striving for your own goodness and striving for your own love. And that in turn, as I said in the beginning, is going to create your world such that it becomes an inspiration to those around you, because it helps those around you see that they can live much more in a much more happier way than they are living right now by just listening to themselves. So this is like a butterfly effect. You're the butterfly and you're going to go and you're going to sprinkle pollen on all of these people around you, and you're going to trigger some, and you're going to make some see themselves, and you're going to make some look at what they must do so that they can make their life their own by you just choosing to make every moment yours. This is what being present means. Every single time I open a quote or anything, it always says an underlying message of I had to be present to tell this quote. I had to be present in this moment to learn this thing. So being present isn't only meditating in the morning, isn't only eating without your mobile. It is doing a thing for the I have said for yourself so many times in this video, but I'm still going to tell that to you. Doing that thing because you are worth it. You are worth doing that thing, and so you're going to do it. That's it. Point, end, period, blank. Full stop. Yeah. That was a rant. I hope I made sense. I don't know if I made sense, but I had to get that out today. And there is a reason, okay, for why I do these videos. So if this made any sense, then I encourage you to come onto the little comment section below and share your own thought, because honestly, in this day and age, if you are courageous enough to have your own thought and have your own opinion, I congratulate you. And if you have the guts to make a life for yourself, then maybe I'll do a small note point list or something so that you can come back to again and again, or like an affirmation list. Maybe I'll put it in the description box if I end up doing it. I think I will. And you can come to that every single time you feel like you are living a life that is not fulfilling. So yeah, you are worthy of being happy. You are deserving of happy things, and it's all going to work out because you are going to have that courage to stick up for yourself. The universe is always conspiring in your favor. So ask the universe and ask for people like me for help, because we get that joy from helping you.